Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is related to Cognizant Communication Assessment 24. Cognizant team is sending the communication mail again today 5 hours ago. Okay, so in the particular video we will discuss about the updated exam pattern. Test date is 6th November. Is this second phase exam or other hiring? I will clear all of your queries in the today's video. Let's start the video. Before starting the video, one most important point from our channel. Okay, 4 hours ago I shared the community post that candidates select for the Cognizant. Candidate mentioned my first job, thank you Online Learning and Lokesh sir. I got selected in Cognizant, for which I got to know about and applied from your channel, and for every round I check your other videos playlist and it helped me to attend interview with the confidence. We already made the video, 13 videos are there. Cognizant updated communication assessment, game-based aptitude test, everything is aptitude question, aptitude assessment mail, aptitude assessment exam pattern, okay, interview mail, interview experience, everything we share. Okay, so you can follow this playlist. One most important point, I received a mail in first phase as well, October 9/24, and today I also received the mail. Greetings from Cognizant, we are blessed you are shortlisted for communication. This is the mandatory pre-request. This is the important point. This is do's, this is don't. Okay, so your test will be, assessment will be available from 6 November 24 11 am. You can start the test. One most important point, you can watch out the video Cognizant Communication Assessment Updated Pattern Important Guidelines. So this video is helpful for everyone. One most important point, here they mention SpeechX Cognizant 24 September V2. Okay, as we know that, okay, like one most important point, as we know that 4 weeks ago, like on the October, there is a examination conducted by Cognizant team. Okay, now they are mentioning that September V2. Okay, so in that, in the communication assessment you have 4 sections, section A, B, C and D. 23 number of question, 4 question in section B, 34 question and 16 question. Total 27 question, 77 question, and the time duration is 58 minutes. Okay, one most important point that I have to mention, section A is reading, in which 23 questions will be there. Okay, section B will be speak on topic, 4 questions. Okay, and section C is English grammar, 34 question, and the section D, okay, section D is question answer, 16 question. Okay, we will talk about this all section in detail, but before going into the detail, one most important point, this examination mail is related to Cognizant multi-cloud or Cognizant engineer trainee. Okay, let me clear all of your things. Okay, this hiring opportunity is posted as well, Cognizant multi-cloud, and second hiring opportunity, digital workplace. Okay, so let's discuss everything. In the Cognizant multi-cloud, it is a vendor based hiring. Okay, and in the Cognizant multi-cloud video, okay, in the Cognizant multi-cloud video, I clearly mentioned don't apply. On September 21st, I clearly mentioned don't apply for this opportunity because it is a vendor based hiring, and candidate also mentioned that bro, I too received this, then I after received a call and told that we have meeting, in that you have question and answer section. Okay, there will be training after interview. So at last I asked, we have to pay anything, and she reply, yes, you have to pay for training, but interview is free. So this is absolutely money, third party like consultancy is involving, so definitely we have to pay some amount for training. Okay, and Cognizant team already mentioned many times, Cognizant does not entertain payments from any kind of candidate or vendor for employment. That's why we mentioned that don't apply for this hiring. Okay, so what is this case? So the case is, suppose, okay, suppose you received a mail in October as well, like previous like in the 4 weeks. Okay, like what is the examination? The examination date is 10th October. Okay, suppose you received the 10th October mail, and today, like on the 4 November, you again receive the mail. You already completed the communication assessment examination, aptitude examination, interview. Okay, suppose you are not shortlisted and you received again mail. There are 2 conditions. If you applied for the Cognizant multi-cloud, okay, Cognizant multi-cloud, so you also receive the communication mail. Okay, ऐसा हो सकता है कि आपको यहाँ से communication का mail आए, या फिर आपको engineer trainee का mail आए. Okay, that's the most important thing. Suppose you applied for 2 hirings, Cognizant multi-cloud or engineer trainee. So if it's for engineer trainee, it will be good. Okay, if it's for multi-cloud, so again I am mentioning you can attend the test. Okay, you can attend the test, but one most important point, don't pay money. Okay, don't pay money for any hiring at any stage. Okay, if vendor is asking money, so just leave the process. This is the most important point that I have to tell. But one of the candidate, okay, like I asked that, hey, you received Cognizant mail today for engineer trainee role. Yeah, I got. For which role you applied? Your batch? Yeah, for this role only 24 is the batch. So the thing is, candidates are receiving for the engineer trainee. Okay, and we can consider it is a second phase hiring. Okay, most probably. बट देयर आर अगेन टू कंडीशन, दो ही कंडीशन हो सकती है, या तो कॉग्निजेंट मल्टी क्लाउड का मेल आ रहा है या इंजीनियर ट्रेनिंग का. If it's engineer trainee, it will be good. So again I am mentioning you can attend the test, there is no problem, but please guys don't pay money. Okay, because Cognizant team already mentioned they did not ask any kind of payment or payment from candidates or vendor for employment. Okay, one most important point, today many candidates received the mail, you will see on my screen. Many candidates completed the examination, no mail. Yes, many candidates completed the examination, okay, and received assessment mail today, applied for engineer trainee 24 batch hiring, and no mail. So the thing is, you can attend the test. Okay, and let's discuss about the section in detail. First section is reading. 23 questions are there. Okay, you have to simply read the sentence that is on the screening. Okay, screen, you will have to read and record the statement content of audio clip. Okay, next section is speak on topic. There is a topic. Okay, you will given 3 topic in which you need to speak for 1 minute each. For each topic you will get 30 seconds to think, after which your response will getting recorded. Favorite sports, trending technology, what's your favorite kind of music. Third section is English grammar, in which English grammar proficiency round, tenses, verb, article, active, passive voice, preposition, fill in the blanks will be there. Okay, that is the section. Section D, okay, is the question and answer. 16 question will be there. You will be presented with audio clip and question based on the audio clip. Okay, first audio will be play. Okay, after that you have to listen the audio carefully, then question. Suppose the audio will be play. Okay, what are Akash hobby? Reading, listening to music and cooking. Reading, listening to music and painting, traveling and cooking. Okay, so एक ऑडियो प्ले होगा, 15 मिनट्स रहेंगे सारे क्वेश्चंस कंप्लीट करने के लिए. उस ऑडियो के बेस पे आपको क्वेश्चन पूछे जाएंगे. सपोज मान लीजिए उसमें आपको उदयपुर के बारे में बताया, उदयपुर इज अ गुड सिटी. ओके, एंड लाइक उदयपुर इज अ ट्रैवल टूरिस्ट प्लेस. ओके, टूरिस्ट प्लेस. फिर उससे रिलेटेड आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछे कि उदयपुर में कौन कौन सी फेमस जगहें हैं, आपको बताना है. दिस काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर. सो दिस इज द टोटल 4 सेक्शन. आई होप यू लाइक द वीडियो. एंड वन मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट, अगेन मैं वापस बोल रहा हूँ, डोंट पे मनी फॉर एनी हायरिंग. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग द वीडियो.